So apparently a lot of people don't know how to cut a mango. I learned how to cut mangoes from my Filipino stepmom. That's why I'm a pro. And all my friends asked for this video, so. First you have to pick a good mango. It's gonna be a little bit squishy. Even a little bit of wrinkles is good. Can you see the wrinkles? The color doesn't really matter. So the pit inside is shaped roughly like your hand. It's flat, like that. So you want to cut on either side of the pit, and you can tell by the shape of the mango which side is the right side. So you go lengthwise, like this. And then you do the other side of the pit. Now you have these two halves, and you can do some nice slicing like this, and then you can just eat off of the skin like that. Or if you want to, you can cut off the pieces and put them in a bowl or whatever and eat them like that. Then you have this middle piece, and so you want to cut the skin off of that too, like this. And some people are classy, and they would maybe cut off pieces from the pit, like this or something. Warning, if you don't have floss on hand, don't eat a mango. But you can cut that off, or what I do is me and my friends call this the mango cookie. And what you do is you just eat the fruit off of the pit like this. Then you get it all, and then you floss.